So hi guys, welcome back to Nathan Gaming, where today we're gonna be doing a tier list of every single piggy map. Recently at least. So, chapter 1, book 1, house. Okay, so the options are amazing, good, meh, bad, horrible, I don't know. Okay, let's just start. Deluxe is horrible. I could barely. Oh, yep. Huh. So, house. I gotta put it in good. Gallery. Meh. School. Now I could either put it in bad or meh. I'm good. You know what? I'm just gonna put it right there. No, metro. Wait. Okay, where's my favorite map? Okay. I would put it down here, but I can sometimes find the item, so I'm gonna put it in good. Okay, city. I just have to put it in bad. Okay, amazing. Okay, plant. Also, an amazing map. Alleys. Good. Refinery. Gotta think. Is it that? Oh, yep. Gotta put it right there. Okay, safe place. A definitely horrible. Factory. Oh, that one. Yep, that is definitely good. Port. Gotta think. Is port good or is port bad? I gotta put it as bad. Station. Probably one of my favoriteest maps. Forest. I gotta put it in good. Okay, hospital. Okay. So, hospital. I have to put it right there. Now, carnival is an automatic no. Carnival is always up there. Okay, so mall. Also, a kind of good one. Store. Gotta think. Is store good or is store bad? I know that ain't amazing. I'm gonna put it with the meh. Okay, camp. I gotta put it in horrible. Okay, distorted memory. You know what? Let's just save that one for last. Okay, heist. Heist. I gotta put it in the I don't know. Winter holiday. I just have to say it. That was probably one of my favoriteest Christmas maps. Distraction. It's a good. Okay. What does that even say? Oh, the RB battles. Oh, yep. Meh, or is it good? I gotta put it as a good. Okay, so what does that even say? Oh, that's B. Oh, yep. I already know what it is. What? I have to remove it. Okay. Well, and Tiger. Since these are the exact same endings, I'm gonna have to put it in the exact same. Huh? What just happened? Okay. Phew. Okay. Gotta delete that. I gotta immediately put it in here. Yep. Okay. So, docs. Gotta put it in here because I hate it. Okay, distorted memory. Is it? Is it going to be amazing tile or instead of the good? You know what? I'll do good. I'll do it good. Okay, breakout. Oh, yep. Gotta put it in there. So, gotta save it. Down low, down low. Gotta see. Gotta look for my all albums. Okay, apparently it didn't actually save, so sorry. But I'll be needing to actually got it. I should put Bonnie inside this thing. Nah. Maybe I should do another tier list. Maybe. You know what? That was kind of fun. So, you know what? Yeah. You know what? Yeah, I am gonna do another tier list, like right now. Okay. So instead of doing that, I'm gonna have to do this. Okay. Five Nights at Freddy's. Bonnie. A FNAF tier list of Bonnie. Now, let's see. Okay, so what in the world is that thing? You know what? I'm just gonna skip. Okay, so it's Scrap Trap. How is that Bonnie? No, what does it say? Bonnie variants. Whatever. Okay, so Scrap Trap, it's gotta be in the C tier. Okay, so I want to say that Spring Bonnie. Gotta put it in the Bon, the S tier. Toy Bonnie in the S tier. What is that thing? You know what? I'm gonna change it. I don't know category. So that thing. Okay. So Rockstar Bonnie. I gotta put it in that little thing. I just have to. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, I'm back. So yeah, so I don't know what the flip that thing is. I also don't know. Okay, Chocolate Bonnie. Not put in the A tier. Hold on. The A tier. Is that into the pit? Spring Bonnie. I'm just gonna put it in the B tier. I don't know what that's supposed to be. Bonnet tag. I don't know what that's supposed to be. Don't know. Okay, wait a minute. Is this FNAF World Bonnie? Well, I'm gonna have to put it right there. Jacko Bonnie or something like that. I have to put it. Nope. With that. Okay. Did I add? No, I don't. Okay. Pink and Green Bonnie. That's what I'm gonna have to call it. That has to go either into the A or the C tier. Yep. No. To the A tier. Okay, Nightmare Bonnie. I'm actually gonna make a little series about him later. So yeah. Oh, that's the Easter Bunny. Wait. I don't know what that is. Okay, so the Easter Bunny, I'm gonna have to put it in the B tier. Okay. I don't know what that is. I also don't know what that is. Okay. So, glitch trap. Okay, glitch trap is gotta be in that. Okay, the original Bonnie. No, I'm gonna save him for last. Okay, I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. No. Is it the exact same person? Vanny. I gotta put it in C tier. No, what? Slash. Do not like. Do not like. Okay, Vanny. Okay, so plush trap. Plushy. Trappy. Okay, so he's gotta be in either A or no, C or B. No, I'm gonna try to change that thing later. Okay, so Shadow Flippin' Bonnie. Gotta put it up there. Okay, so I don't know what. Wait a minute. Okay, so we got Red Bonnie. Okay, he's gotta be in here somewhere. Gotta see. How about B? And I don't know what. Wait a minute. Is that a spring trap? Okay, where's recently the spring trap's gone? Besides B, I don't know. I actually don't know what that is. Okay, is that the Books Bonnie? I'm gonna put you right there. Okay. So, Withered Bonnie. One of my very first Bonnies. Huh. Weird. I don't know what the flip that is. Okay. So, that. Like, I'll put it up here. The spring traps obviously has to go in here. Now, the original Bonnie. Now, goodbye. And don't forget to have